Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to unrestrict someone on Messenger. So before you do anything, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just start looking for Messenger and double check if the Messenger app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and get right on it. If it doesn't, just go ahead to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just open up the Messenger, and as you can see right here, this is the interface of the app. Now in order to unrestrict someone, we need to restrict them first. So I'm going to just click right here on the chat, and what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just go ahead right here and click on their name at the top, and you're going to see right here privacy and support, and just you're going to see an option instead of the block, you're going to see restrict for that person, because this person actually not a personal brand, or sorry, personal page or personal profile. It's a personal page, so that's why I messaged him, and you're gonna see right here the block button. But if it was a personal profile, you're gonna see a restrict button instead of the block button. Now in order to restrict someone, let me just demonstrate and click right here on their name, and the same goes right here, and you can't restrict yourself, but you get that demonstration. Now what I'm gonna do in order to unrestrict someone, I'm gonna just click the three bars at the top left and click the settings here at the top right, and from here you're gonna just click privacy and safety, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna see right here who can reach you, and you're gonna see the restricted accounts. Click on it, and you're gonna see that person that I just added, and click add at the top right. If you want to add another person, just go ahead and do it, and just click on that person and just unrestrict that person. You're gonna see it on the chat. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.